to our Dior Beauty promos and prom codes recap. I wasn't actually gonna film something for this week because there's not much change. However, you guys have sent me some photos and also allow me to share some photos to all of you, our Dior Beauty lover friends here. And I thought it would be great for you to see this because this may help you plan your next purchase. Alright, if you're new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience. So, if you love Dior Beauty, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss any of those Dior Beauty deals. And while you're at here, please hit that like button. And if you see that hype icon, please do hype this video so many more of our Dior Beauty lovers friend will find it. Alrighty, again, nothing much has changed. In the UK, we still have the pink flat pouch with a deluxe sample of LCP and also a sample LCP product. I know not much, the minimum purchase £200 and you will receive all the gifts without needing any promo code. And I received some requests from you guys to check on Australia, Germany, and Spain. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything. I tried to send message to their customer service, but so far I have not received anything. And speaking of customer service, I also emailed the US customer service to ask about the apparently $60 advent calendar, and a lot of you have been messaging me and also leaving some comments asking about it, if I got some clarity. Unfortunately, I did not receive any reply from my email. To tell you honestly, I feel like that was a mistake. Obviously, the beauty stylist at the time of the masterclass is not really aware of the Dior promotions, because at first he or she said that one of the promo codes you will get the mini advent calendar, and then later said that it is actually available for purchase for $60. And this is unbelievable because for the past years it's always been at least over $100, and so to see it at $60, it's just going to be a miracle. I was excited for a little bit because I was like, oh, maybe they've seen my TikTok video saying to bring the mini calendar back, but I don't know, we will see. Maybe in the near future. You know what, the perfect scenario for me is maybe to have it as a platinum holiday gift, or have it really available as a gift with purchase using a promo code. Any of this will be awesome, and I'm looking forward to see it coming back this holiday season. All right, so that's out of the way. Now let's move on to Canada, and this Thanks 25 promo code, it's still available. You get the denim pouch that has a handle and also the pink Dior Octo body. Now, some of you was saying that it was not active. I literally just placed my order last night. It's still active today, Saturday, October 18. It's still active. If you happen to watch this video on a later date, maybe after 2 days, 3 days, and it's not active anymore, then it's probably have gotten sold out. And I highly recommend, again, if you are not a subscriber yet, subscribe, hit that notification button so you will be updated every time I post new videos with new updates. So Canada, again, Thanks 25, you'll get 2-piece gift with your purchase of 175 Canadian dollars. And this is great. Actually, I think even better than in the US, because when I convert this price to US dollars, it's only $130, and that includes tax. So for me, that's a great deal. And yeah, I did purchase, and I'll show you when it arrives. Now in the US, let's start with the new gift set. Still has this beautiful pouch, very glittery for those who doesn't know, but definitely love this emblem here, the CD logo with a star. I think that's a beautiful touch. And the new set includes lip maximizer and travel size of the capture cream. Now the travel size, it's a lot bigger than the deluxe sample. I believe it's about 15 ml, so that's definitely a good size if you want to try it. For me, The travel size lasts 4 to 6 weeks depending on how much I use it. So it's good enough amount of product for you to test and see if it's something that you will love. So that's the first news, and actually the new set is also available in Canada and I believe all other Dior beauty websites around the world. Now the new promo code is Natural Glow for your minimum purchase of $200, and you will receive the mirror. It's a double mirror, and I did not remove the stickers yet, and you can put this on the back of your phone or your phone case. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this because I love having the octobody on the back of my phone, but this is what you are going to receive, so you could just use it as your pocket mirror. It's a good high quality mirror. It has a weight to it. It's very well made. It's something that definitely collectible, and look at that. It's gorgeous, right? And you will also receive a mini lipstick for your minimum purchase of $200. Now, I don't know if that is a good gift with purchase for that amount, because I think in the near future, very soon, we will receive more gift with purchase that you might want to spend your money on. And I want to share with you some photos from Vaughn. She's very active on TikTok, posting all her Dior beauty finds and also Chanel finds and other beauty products. And I've seen this star pouch and also a beautiful jewelry case. So these are coming very soon. They're now currently available at Bergdorf Goodman. So maybe if you have one, or you live close by, or if you know a SA or sales associate, then maybe ask them and see if you could grab one of these. I think these are gorgeous and I am willing to wait. And this is why I wanted to show you this, is so you could plan your future purchases. Maybe there's something that you want to buy right now, but they could wait because they're not urgent. So maybe let's keep an eye on these gifts with purchases to show up. I don't know the minimum purchase requirement. I know I've seen in her post that it required $250. I don't know if that will be the same when they become available at the Dior website, but hopefully there'll be more gift with purchase that will go with them to make them worth it. And now for the masterclass from codes, we have Holiday Glam 48 for your minimum purchase of $175, and you will receive the holiday playing cards. I actually love playing cards. I grew up playing solitaire. I see my grandma doing it a lot, and also we have a lot of playing cards at home because my dad used to work at the casino. So I think this is a great collector item. Of course, depending on who you are, but like I've said, you might want to hold on your purchase if you wanted to maybe get the other holiday pouch and jewelry case in the future. So that's Holiday Glam 48 for your minimum purchase of $75, and you'll get the playing card. And the next promo code is Holiday Glam 25, minimum purchase $200, and you'll get these set of beautiful star hair clip. And one of our Dior Beauty lover friends send us this photo. They are lovely. I'm actually going to pass because again, I'm looking forward to seeing those two other pouches come out very soon, and maybe they are something that I would like better. But these are so beautiful, and as you could see in her photo, she actually used them on her sweater, which I think is super cute, and I'll probably do the same. By the way, these were the clips that we got from the other gift with purchase 2 months ago, and I think they're cute, and now I kind of want to get these ones as well. And also this will come with a white double zip pouch for a minimum purchase of $200. So there you have it. Those are the new promo codes. Again, if you are new here, there are other promo codes in the recent video that I've shared. Check them out because some of those promo codes are forever promo code, meaning they will not expire very soon. Probably not until the end of the year. So those are long-term promo code with different minimum purchases from 100, 130, 150 to 200. And so you could plan your purchase based on which gift with purchase you want to receive. So there you have it. That is our latest update with your beauty promo and promo codes. For those who have contacted your beauty about the $60 advent calendar, and if you have an update, please share them in the comment below. You know, watching masterclass, I always tell myself, okay, I'm not gonna put any, I do my best not to be a downer with my comments. I try to be more interactive with what's going on, but sometimes you just can't help it. Let me know your comment about that. But like I've said, I rather be more interactive with what's actually going on in the masterclass than giving them my feedback. But it seems like sometimes they listen, sometimes they don't. I guess it depends on who's the admin at that day. Like you've noticed, they lower the minimum purchase for a week and then return it to higher minimum purchase requirement. And so we will see if they're really listening to us. And if you've heard any feedback from the customer service, please share them in the comments below or in the community page. If you are okay to maybe share screenshots of the reply, if not, that's okay. I respect everyone's privacy. All right, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.